This is Titti. She's 6 years old and she's my shadow. And we come here every day. When we arrive, she's just anxious. She won't wait for me until I put my clothes off. She wants to dive. She's amazing. She's crazy about jumping. They start calling her the jumping dog now. She's gonna get this famous, so she really loves to jump. She's got her own Facebook page, and everybody send me a message when you're gonna be there, because we want to come and take a picture with her. She trusts me, and whatever I do, she do it. When I tell her to jump, she jumps. But if anybody else tells her to jump with him, she won't jump with him. She just trusts me. The bond we built it together, me and her. It's incredible.